Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am Adam and I just pulled up to my D pins. I'm gonna hit the parks in a little bit, but right now I need to stock up on some trader pins for the boards. Pretty low right now, and I do have store credit, so I won't have to spend any money right now, which is nice. So I'm gonna run inside real fast and get some pins for the boards. And I want to say real fast, thank you to everybody that has donated recently and before, obviously, and you know, me and Jazz really appreciate it. Our GoFundMe is again down in the links below. With that being said, welcome back, and I'm gonna bring you guys inside real fast so you guys can check it out, some of the pins that they have here on the refreshing boards that they constantly have. Yeah, I don't know. But they have a lot of good stuff all the time. This place is open, I guess. All right, so right away when you walk into my D pins, you're gonna see on the left-hand side they got a $5 pin board, and that's really what I came for. It's like a bunch of the older stuff in the older blind bags, so you could just grab a bunch of those to trade them on the boards. And over here on the right, they have more of them, but these are a different price. So they're like $10, and they have like a $15 board one, and like another $20 board one, and etc. And over here on the glass cabinets, they have the movie pins. They're like sorted by like different movies and stuff. So they have like Encanto, Wish, and all that other stuff over here. Then they got some Marvel stuff right here. And then over here they have Pixar. So I like to go through this one. I like to take my time. They have Toy Story. They have some Turning Red ones. Then they have Brave as well. But I actually like these Turning Red ones. These are like pretty good prices, I think. Yeah, that one's cool. Over here they have some of the park stuff, some Disneyland stuff. They just have like a bunch of random pins, honestly. Right, just like that, bag secured. Gonna head to the parks now. All right, so I ended up spending 35 bucks, but not really. I only spent $5 because I had $30 store credit. But anyways, this is what I got, and what's gonna be on the boards today. So these two, I actually don't know what I'm gonna do with them. I don't know if we're actually collecting this set for the baby, but you know, I just got it anyways. And then 1010's always cute, so I don't know if I have this one or not. I don't remember. I think I do, but I grabbed it anyways because I don't really see it much. But yeah, these 4 or 5 for sure are going on the boards. So I started today at DCA. Haven't been here in a while, so I'm gonna go see what I can get on the boards with my 5 pins. I'm good. How are you?
Good.
I'm gonna take a look at this one.
You go for it.
The one that just got right now. I'm gonna get this one.
Yeah?
Now, admittedly, I don't know exactly the details of what happened to the Club Pixar show. If they even really got rid of it or whatever, but it is kind of a shame. But at the same time, like, they have to realize that like this show wasn't really that good. I saw like 5 minutes of it, and that's all I needed to see to know that I would never go back again. But you know, that's not the performer's fault. They did the best they could for sure. But I don't know, they just didn't think this one out, I guess. So yeah, that brings me to my next point. And Jazz and I were lucky enough to see Inside Out 2 last night on Thursday. And it was a really good movie. I actually really enjoyed it versus the first movie. The first movie I felt was kind of very sad. But I don't really remember it, to be honest, so I can't really give a fair assessment because I did fall asleep. But the second one I didn't fall asleep at all. And I watched it. It was really good. I don't know why, but for like the first like 5 minutes of the movie, I got really emotional. And like I just started feeling like a lot of things. And basically, I think it's just because I'm gonna have a daughter soon. So like, I hate to say it, but like I'm gonna relate to this eventually one day. But that's just how I felt. 8 out of 10. I definitely recommend it for sure. All right, thank you so much. Can I see this one?
Be careful.
I was kind of put on the spot there because I didn't know if that was the new Walt Disney World Hidden Disney set for Stitch, but turns out this is, so I'm glad I left that one there. Because I was like definitely put on the spot and I didn't know if to grab it or not, but I didn't, so thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Alright, thank you.
Uh-huh.
How much are these ones?
I'm sorry?
How much are they?
Thank you so much.
It was real too, to be honest.
I'm not in the way or anything
Oh no,
like
you're
that,
good.
right?
Yeah, no, I
Gotcha.
didn't see anything. Alright. Do you have any trivia pins?
I do not.
No worries. Do you know where they're doing it inside though?
Because her,
Noise.
their boyfriend, he actually has a pass, so he gets the early access.
We have.
Do you have any trivia pins?
I do.
Alright, I'll try.
You want to?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
My paper. All right. Are you good with the parks?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. Okay. What Disneyland attraction is at every Disney parks around the world?
Is it Dumbo?
It is Dumbo. Yeah. Good job. Let me get them all out first. How's your day going?
Pretty good. How's yours?
Pretty good. It's a very nice day out
It
today.
is.
Oh my god, look, Ari.
And then we got these two.
I'll take a look at these.
Yeah. I believe that one's Hook.
I'm just gonna get this one.
Sure. Yeah.
Alright, I'm about to head over to Disneyland. I'm pretty satisfied with what I got so far over here at DCA. But yeah, I'm just gonna make my way over there. It's pretty hectic over here. Plus, I have my other camera, so I've been taking a lot of pictures. Basically, you're just witnessing a guy having a good time. This is my favorite type of Disneyland right here, where it's like pretty empty right after all the parades. But pretty soon people will start lining up for the fireworks.
I just want to get like rid of it as soon as possible. Crazy, do it.
Me right now.
All right, so you know those are no good.
Yeah.
Up here, we're looking for fun and authentic for fun and authentic.
Okay.
Limited release for limited release and limited edition for limited edition.
Okay, so I for sure want to do this one.
For sure, for sure.
Yeah, I'll do that one, and then those are the ones I found today. So I'm not
sorry,
looking
say it
to
again.
those are the ones I found today, so I'm not looking to trade those right now. But
All right, so you want him.
yeah, but yeah, you could choose one from there. Yeah, that's fine. And then
It's one trade per visit.
one trade, okay.
And then I also have my trivia game.
Right on. I could do 2 pins. Two. Yeah, I could do 2 pins. I could do 2 pins. All right. I think I'm gonna get this one.
And that person's way cute.
Yeah, I'm gonna get this one, and then can I get that boo?
This one?
Yeah. So this is exactly what I was looking for today. This Nightmare box. It just came out this past week. Features these characters, classic ones. Pretty random mummy. But yeah, all the fan favorites right here. This one retails for $19.99. Jazz definitely wanted a pack, and I know for sure she wants Oogie and Zero. So hopefully we can get those. Alright, I was also looking for these to show you guys these supporting cast pins. New one for Stitch. This one for Princess and the Frog. And this one for Finding Nemo. Or Dory, I guess. Probably Nemo. But I like Bruce in this one. He looks really menacing. So this one's really cool. But they all retail for $17.99. So pretty standard for this set. I like this one the most though, probably. For sure. And since I'm here, I might as well show you guys this Cheshire one as well. This one is brand new. It is a yellow tag, which means it is $14.99. And they also have this new Stitch one as well. This one features him with some glitter. Pretty cool. you have any trivia pins?
I don't, sweetie.
No worries. Thank you. Unfortunately, the pieces are not hitting, but at least I got new pins. That's all that really matters. You have any pin trivia?
I do. Do you want to do
I'll try
Disney,
one.
Marvel, Pixar, or Star Wars?
Let me try Star Wars.
Okay. Star Wars. I wasn't prepared. Let me see.
Oh yeah, no worries.
I don't remember what I've asked and what I haven't. So if you've heard it before, let me know.
Okay.
On what planet does Obi-Wan fight Anakin?
I don't know. That one I should know that one, but I don't know.
The lava planet.
Yeah, the lava planet. I know that. Yeah, I
Okay.
see it, but I don't.
I'll ask you a backup. then.
Okay, all right.
Still Star Wars?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Who are the three main characters in the new trilogy? The newest trilogy.
Is it Rey, Kylo, and Finn?
Not Kylo. He's the villain, but he's not one of the three.
Is
The
it Poe?
Yeah,
Poe,
Poe.
alright,
Okay. You can pick.
Okay.
You don't have to trade.
Yeah, is it? Yeah, I'll get. Oh, actually, that's.
Can
a good-
only do one.
Yeah, I know those are good.
Because then I run out. Yeah.
Yeah. I'll take the hidden Disney.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's fine. How's it going? Take a look. Yeah, I'm alright right now. Thank you, I appreciate it. Womp womp womp. Alright, so it's that time again where I'm going to show you guys some pictures that I recently took at Disneyland. This is pretty much for my most recent roll. And starting off with this one, it's the red trolley on Buena Vista Street. This one was kind of cool, but I don't really care for the like non-blue background. Like I was going for like a skyline picture like in the background or whatever, but like it just didn't work out. So it's fine. The red is really nice in here. Next up is the Club Pixar one. This one is kind of cool. I'm kind of annoyed that I didn't like center it correctly, but it's fine. I do like the colors in this one. I don't really go to San Francisco Square, but I was in the area and I was like, this is kind of cool. So I'm going to take a picture of it. And that's how it turned out. Then right here, I actually got stuck behind the parade when I was going to Boardwalk Plaza, whatever, the Boardwalk Pizza place. And like, I got stuck, so I was like, I might as well try to take a picture. And I did. And I actually really like this one. I like the way it came out. These two I have side by side because I thought I was going to use them. And I thought I was going to like the way they came out. But like, I didn't really care for the way they came out. The one on the left like was in motion, so I mean I don't know. It looks good for like that, but like I thought the one on the right was gonna eat, but it didn't, unfortunately. And right here, the one in the middle is the one I ended up liking the most. The one on the left and right, they just didn't turn out good, and like I kind of had a feeling, so I just ended up taking multiple, but I ended up going with the one in the middle. These two are funny because like over here at Pixar Pier, like I just wanted to take a picture of the duck in the water, and like, you know, the Pixar Pier is just kind of in the background. The one of Zurg didn't really turn out the way I thought it would, so I kind of don't like that one that much. And then the one of the Incredicoaster, that one's just like kind of in motion, so that one was kind of cool. Then right here is like the most artsy looking one, I think, because it has like, I don't know, there's a lot going on, but like there's nothing going on, you know what I mean? I don't know. And then like, I don't know, I couldn't really think of anything else to take a picture of at Disneyland, so I ended up taking a picture of the Astro Orbiter. And this wasn't the same day, but I just thought I'd show you guys this picture anyways. I just love this picture that I took of Jasmine so much. Alright, so I'm officially back home. Got Jazz here with me now. She's going to do the unboxing for these nightmare pins. Tell them which ones you want.
A perfect box would be 0 and Ugly.
Ooh, too much light. Oh well. Alright, go for it. I'm really happy this box was $19.99. For whatever reason, I thought it was gonna be $30.
No, it's only the LRs that are... Or LED LR. Okay, sorry. I had to get some scissors.
Damn it.
Not a perfect box.
It's really not a perfect box.
No.
Well, so yeah, guys, real quick, these are the pulls that we ended up getting from that box. Pretty nice set, but you know, these are of course up for trade. And this is what I ended up finding today on the boards, and I'm definitely satisfied with these two and this one, of course. But these two, I haven't seen this one in a long time, and this was a nice surprise as well. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this trip today. Jazz, real quick, what did you think of Inside Out 2?
It was good. I thought I'd cry, but I didn't. But it was good.
What do you rate it out of 10?
Like an 8.
Ooh, my treacherous twin, you know. That's what I said to you earlier. I said it was 8 out of 10. But yeah, guys, follow us on Instagram if you haven't already. We appreciate everybody that's reached out. Again, for like Yoshi and to purchase pins from us as well. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe here on YouTube. And anything else coming up, Jess?
You know what I thought was weird about
Yeah.
Inside Out 2? There wasn't a short before it.
Oh yeah. I did read about that online as well.
Why?
I don't know.
That's like the first Pixar movie I've seen without a short.
Yeah, people said that they mentioned that too. That there's a lack of.
I was like, unless we were late.
No,
Okay.
we kind of were, but
We were,
no,
but-
not that late. But yeah, guys, hopefully you guys enjoy the pictures I took, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.